Hi there, potential affiliates, Peter Hanley bringing you an episode of Debunking the Myths of Affiliate Marketing. The first one, is it a get rich quick scheme? No, it's not. The only people who get rich quick on internet marketing are the promoters of products you throw your money at. It's not a quick get rich quick scheme. It goes on for a while and you need to do the work. Do you need to be an expert? No, you don't. There's so much training out there now, and AI is even here to help you. The robots will come and write it for you, so don't need to worry about that. Third myth, do you need a large following? No, you don't need a large following. You need a good following because it's only those that buy that make a difference. So having tens of thousands of followers that ignore your work means nothing to you. Is it too late to become an affiliate marketer? No, it's not too late to become an affiliate marketing. It's booming at the moment, so you need to get in. Do you need a website to be an affiliate marketer? No, you don't need a website to be an affiliate marketer. You can do it with any social media or email. But a website and a blog post are good products to have included in your, and they're easy to do if you follow me. Um, can you promote any product on affiliate marketing? No, you can't. Pick good products only. And that's why I choose the products from Michael Chaney that have a history of success with a range of people. So that's about it. They're the myths that I want to dismiss. It's not get rich quick. Anyone can do it. You don't need a blog page. Products are essential. And that's it for today. Thank you for joining me in this episode, and we will see you very soon.